Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing cognitive behavioral techniques. Whether you're seeking to understand this approach better or are curious about ways to improve your mental health, you've come to the right place. Cognitive behavioral techniques have become increasingly popular in the field of psychology due to their effectiveness in helping individuals overcome a variety of mental health challenges. So, let's dive in and explore what these techniques are and how they can benefit you. Cognitive behavioral techniques are based on the idea that our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are interconnected. They focus on addressing and changing unhelpful thought patterns, which in turn can positively impact our emotions and behaviors. By targeting the way we think, cognitive behavioral techniques aim to bring about lasting changes in our mental well-being. This approach can be used to tackle a wide range of issues such as anxiety, depression, phobias, and even substance abuse. One well-known cognitive behavioral technique is called cognitive restructuring. In this technique, individuals learn to identify and challenge their negative or distorted thoughts. By asking themselves questions like, "Is this thought realistic?" or "What evidence do I have to support this thought?" they can challenge the validity of their negative thoughts and replace them with more realistic and positive ones. Over time, this practice can lead to a significant improvement in one's mood and overall outlook on life. Another cognitive behavioral technique commonly used is exposure therapy. This technique is particularly effective for phobias and anxiety disorders. It involves exposing individuals to their feared objects or situations in a controlled and gradual manner. Through repeated exposure, individuals learn that their feared outcomes are unlikely to occur and that they are capable of managing their anxiety. Exposure therapy can be challenging, but it has been proven to be highly effective in helping individuals overcome their fears and anxieties. Lastly, a technique called behavioral activation focuses on increasing positive behaviors and experiences, particularly for individuals struggling with depression. It involves identifying and engaging in activities that bring joy, pleasure, and a sense of accomplishment. By increasing positive behaviors, individuals can break the negative cycle of depression and experience an uplift in their mood and overall life satisfaction. In conclusion, cognitive behavioral techniques are powerful tools that can help individuals overcome a variety of mental health challenges. Whether through cognitive restructuring, exposure therapy, or behavioral activation, these techniques offer practical and effective strategies for improving our thinking patterns, managing anxiety, and enhancing our overall well-being. So, whether you're seeking professional help or looking to implement these techniques on your own, remember that change is possible, and you have the power to improve your mental health. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative and inspiring.